Good morning, friends! A big day is coming up very soon. For millions of Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries, Congress has officially approved new relief programs that would provide much more aid, specifically to senior citizens, Social Security beneficiaries, and families. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you are a Social Security recipient and would like to claim additional crisis relief assistance. Also, do share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Friends, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, please, friends, make sure you listen for the keyword in this video.
With the opportunity, and yes, with hope, to be all they can be. And I shared with a couple of folks earlier, I did check in with him, actually after we first came in office, because this has been a very long-standing area of focus and priority for me, which is to support our small businesses. And I'd been hearing for years about the work of Bill Bynum, and so checked in with him at the very beginning, and he told me at the very beginning, during the height of the restriction COVID, so we couldn't really travel, and he said, well, Madam Vice President, if you really want to see what's going on, you come to the Mississippi Delta. So here I am. And so Greenville is a city that knows so much, and in particular knows resilience. In 1927, the waters of the Mississippi rose and covered every square foot of this city for 3 months. And when the water...
So it is time for new relief payments to be sent out. The next round of $841 Social Security checks is coming in just a few days to millions of Social Security beneficiaries. Eligible Americans will start receiving the next round of $841 Social Security checks through direct deposit. Millions of recipients are set to receive 2 huge supplemental security income checks, totaling $1,682 in April. Social Security payments are paid out on 3 different days of the month, but the exact date depends on your birth date. SSI, which is run by the Social Security Administration, aims to help those over 65, as well as blind and disabled individuals who have little or no income. Along with having disability, whether you qualify or not depends on your assets. To meet the requirements, individuals cannot have more than $2,000 in assets, while couples can have up to $3,000. Approximately 64 million Social Security beneficiaries saw their cost of living adjustment, also known as COLA, increase to 5.9% in 2022, which is the largest increase in nearly 40 years. This increase went into effect on the 1st of this year for all Social Security beneficiaries. Rising inflation has triggered the significant increase in Social Security's COLA. The annual inflation rate in the U.S. accelerated to 7.9% in February of this year, and the upward pressure on consumer prices is unlikely to ease anytime soon. So friends, here are the exact deposit dates for when you can expect to receive your boosted relief payment this month. If your birthday is on the 1st to the 10th of the month, then your payment is distributed on Wednesday, April 13th. If your birthday is on the 11th to the 20th of the month, then your payment is distributed on Wednesday, April 20th. And if your birthday is on the 21st to the 31st of the month, then your payment is distributed on Wednesday, April 27th. Remember, friends, that if Social Security is not adequate to cover your basic needs, you may be able to qualify for supplemental security income. SSI is currently available to those 65 years and older who have limited income and financial resources. Friends, the keyword for this video is watermelon. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, please, friends, make sure that you click and like several of my videos. Comment below this keyword, which is watermelon, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And also, just make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Now, many U.S. states are offering a helping hand to millions of low and middle-income households. Childcare can be costly, but a state proposal may give many parents some financial relief. New York Governor Kathy Hochul and the state legislature are reportedly hoping to boost childcare funding in her first executive budget proposal. The budget may include up to $3 billion in childcare funding. According to news sources, Governor Kathy Hochul wants to make it available to those at 300% of poverty level, or families making $120,000 and below. The legislation would also raise pay for providers, and the state's goal is to get it running this year. But before anything is confirmed, New York state lawmakers and the governor would have to agree on the state budget. Each house of the legislature has released its own budget proposals, known as the one-house budgets. Then the executive and one-house budgets form the basis for negotiations between the governor, legislative leaders, and their staff. Senator Jabari Brisport of Brooklyn, who helped craft the Senate plan, told the New York Times that she proposed they commit $2.2 billion, making childcare free for all low-income families. Senator Brisport also said they would like to see an increase in the number of families who will be eligible to receive benefits each year. The Senate plan would allow families that are earning up to 5 times the poverty line to qualify for subsidized childcare by the year 2024. This would then raise the state's commitment to childcare funding to more than $4 billion. Millions of parents could be eligible for these programs, as over 19% of New Yorkers live in poverty, and over 41% are at risk. Many states receive funding from the federal government that provides financial assistance for low-income families. Eligibility requirements are different for each state, so friends, do make sure to check your state's official page for the correct qualifications to receive additional stimulus money. Well, my great friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this morning. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching daily. Please do me a favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. Remember, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, you simply have to click and like several of my videos, comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.